Hello everyone, today we will review Honeyview, one of the best photo viewers for Windows and a great alternative to Windows default photo app. I've been using this software since Windows 7 and to be honest with you, once I discovered it, it's been my default photo viewer, so let's download it and give it a try. You can download Honeyview and install it on your computer, or you can use a portable version, and it supports Windows XP, Vista 7, 8 and 10. And what's amazing about this photo viewer is that it supports Gifs and zipped files. You can directly open zip files with this photo viewer. To download it, click on Download Honeyview. Choose the language, then click on OK. Then click on Install. And now we have successfully installed Honeyview. To open an image, you can click on the icon in the left corner. You can open an image or a folder. For example, I will open a folder. Now when you first open an image, you can use the right or the left icons, or you can use the slider. You can also zoom in and zoom out and flip the image if you want. If you click on this icon, you get more information about the directory and the size of the image, and you can also select a different folder, and you can unlock this bar to only show up when you hover over the place. In the view menu, you can view the image in its original size, or you can select fit to window or fit to edit. You can also stretch small images. If the image was in low quality, it won't look as good as an image in its correct resolution. But if you want to view the image in full screen, you can use this option. In the slideshow menu, you can enable slideshow every second, 4 seconds, 20 seconds, 90 seconds. For example, I'll select 1 second. In the bookmarks section, you can add bookmarks, and if we click on edit bookmarks, you can import or export your bookmark list. In the edit section, you can actually convert an image file. You can select the image size, format, quality, destination, and file name. And you can also set the image as desktop background if you want. If you click on copy to, you can copy the image to a different folder, and you can also check the settings. You have so many options and settings in this software. For example, you can select the theme of the software. You can change the color of the software. You can add keyboard shortcuts. You can change the software language. If you want to unlock the top menu, just like we did with the bar at the bottom, you can click on unlock. You can also view the image in full screen. If we click on the software icon in the left corner again, you have some more options and filters, and when you're done with this software, you can click on exit. If you did find this software interesting, you should download it and try it on your computer. It's definitely better than the default photo viewer in Windows. This is my favorite photo viewer on Windows. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.